Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta Full Forum videos. Today we will talk about MCA Full Forum. What is the full form of MCA? MCA is a Master of Computer Application. Okay, it is the first full form of MCA, which is mostly searched by people. MCA is highly educated informational and technology professional degree program which is provided by universities on theoretical as well as practical knowledge. To fight the MCA exam, candidate must have a BCA, a BCom, BA degree with mathematics as one of subject at 10 plus 2 level or graduation. Job opportunities in MCA is system analyst, system software engineer, program manager, intern school, web designer, intern, net expert, database manager, web developer, network administrator, mobile application developer, system administrator, hardware engineer, technical writer. All these jobs are related to MCA person or MCA degree. You can fight that and achieve your goal. MCA Specializations, Management Information System, MIS, which is MIS, Networking, Application Software, System Manager, System Engineer, System Development, Cloud Computing, Mobile Computing, Internet Working. You can read in MCA and you will get all knowledge related to all these topics which is important and will help in your career growth. MCX entrance exam to what will things required in MCA entrance exam or what exam competition you have to fight to uh, book your seat in MCA. MAH, MCA, CET, IPU, CET, UPSEE, and NIM, CET, BIT, MCA, VIT, MEE. You can pause the video and read all about that. Uh, I, I have mentioned full forum of these exams and where you will get these exam in which state. Now, other full form of MCA. Other full form of MCA is Medicines Control Agency in terms of medical. Second one is Music Corporation of America, which is related to news and media term. And last one is Malaysian Chinese Association. Okay, these three full form you will is a you can say it is a second part of MCA full forum, which is not mostly used, but if you will get in GK questions, then you will able to write it. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe the Code Meta channel on YouTube to get more videos. Click on subscribe button to get more videos from us. See you in next video. Bye bye.